Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. Apple introduced the iPhone 13 series in September 2021, many fans are looking ahead to what's to come. Before the iPhone 14 series is expected, Apple will first release another smartphone, the iPhone SE 2022, also called the iPhone SE 3. It is the successor of the iPhone SE 2020, which with its 4.7 LCD display and a suggested retail price of €490 is known as the cheapest and smallest Apple phone. The third generation is expected in the spring of 2022. There was no less than 4 years between the introduction of the iPhone SE 2016 and the SE 2 2020. Apple therefore decided to provide the device with a completely new design. The top screen edge offers space for the selfie camera and the receiver, while the bottom screen edge houses a physical home button with Touch ID. The small screen size is maintained, the glass back and the rounded corners will also remain unchanged. For many, the design will feel rather outdated, but the new budget phone does hold two other trump cards: 5G support and the lightning-fast A15 Bionic. One of the most important additions for the iPhone SE 2022 will be 5G support. The iPhone 12 series were the first models from Apple with support for the 5G mobile internet network. With this lineup, Apple managed to achieve particularly good sales results, which also applies to the new iPhone 13 series. The SE 2022 will be Apple's cheapest 5G phone, cheaper than the Mini. This will undoubtedly benefit the popularity of this model. It is also expected that Apple will not release a new Mini. The iPhone 13 Mini is the last model. Instead, it looks like an iPhone 14 Max is in the pipeline, which will be bigger than the base model, but less advanced than the Pro models. Apple will also integrate a new chipset. This little phone is going to be a real powerhouse. Presumably, the 2022 model is powered by the A15 Bionic, which is also used for the iPhone 13 series. That is a huge step forward compared to the A13 Bionic that was used in the previous model. Apart from a faster processor, the storage capacity will probably also be increased. Where the current model has 64 GB of memory as standard, Apple seems to intend to provide the iPhone SE 2022 with 128 GB of storage memory as standard, which corresponds to the other iPhone models. According to Apple expert Ming-Chi Kuo, 4 GB of RAM will be built in. Although the new model will most likely be equipped with a 12MP camera again, the new processor will undoubtedly enable a number of new camera functions. Think night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR and photographic styles, one-by-one features that can also be found in the iPhone 13. The new chip will undoubtedly be more energy efficient, but 5G will demand more from the battery. Apple may decide to build in a slightly larger battery. That would be desirable, because the iPhone SE 2020 is not immediately known for its phenomenal battery life. That is it guys. If you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.